All right, today I'm going to show you the Bluzen Percussion massage gun, accurate percussion. Includes a carrying case, and I've already got it opened. Let's pop it up, and there it is. You get your charger, which you have to plug it in. It's fully battery operated, and there's the actual gun itself. There's the nozzle, and you just push the things in. All right, so it comes with this thing here, which is like a round ball. And you got a whole bunch of this thing here, which is like a boom, 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 boom. And this thing here, I don't know what the hell that does. And one more. Got one more. Looks like a kind of weird. I don't know why they put it in here. Ow, just tore my nail off my thumb. All right, so now we got them all. So here's the heads. You got this thing here. I don't know where you put that. This thing here, what's that going to do? That thing there, which is I think we'll probably use. And last but not least, this one. So here's our array of heads. So you can see them all. Uno, dos, tres, four. Ich, Nissan, Yon. All right, in English, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 heads. And those will go, of course, right in the front of that bad boy. All right, so this bad boy comes with one of these transformers and the charger. So before we can use this, we have to charge it for 3 hours. So we got to plug this thing in. And I do believe there's the hole right there. So we're just going to plug that in there. And now we got to charge this for 3 hours. And then we can try it out. All right, here we go. So I'm going to plug it in, charge it. See the lights on. Down here, we've got the things doing something. It's making some colorful movements. So that tells me it's charging, like it's uptaking energy. So we're just going to leave it right here for now, and we'll come back in 3 hours and we'll try that bad boy out and see how she works. All right, it looks like it is charged and we're ready to rock and roll with this bad boy.
So it's only a charge thing? There's no...
Yeah, it's a battery-powered massage machine. All right, my girlfriend has accepted the challenge, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to put it on the lowest setting first. All right, we're going to try her derriere. You tell me how it feels. What do you think?
Yeah, that gets in there. Whoa.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to kick it up a notch. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Too much.
Too much?
Just too hard.
All right.
You have to push less.
All right, I'm going to push less.
Wow.
What do you think?
Wow.
What do you think?
Wow. Whoa.
Does it feel good?
Yeah.
You want to do it?
Yeah. And just give it not too hard.
I'm not even pushing it. I'm just holding it there.
It's so strong.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, oh.
Can we try it on your back? Let's try up here on here.
Careful. No, you can't go on the spine, honey.
I'm not trying to get the rhomboid.
No, you can't do this center.
How about here?
Up.
How's that feel? I'm going to lower it, okay?
Yeah.
I got to turn it off. I'm just going to go to phase 1.
Just on my trap.
Just in your traps. How's it feel?
Oh.
Is it good?
Yeah. Oh.
And this is the round one. We haven't tried the other ones yet. I think this might be a viable health product for us, especially after all the hard yoga that you've been doing. Does it feel okay?
Not too hard.
I'm not even pushing it. I'm just laying it on there. I think she likes it. I think we're gonna keep this thing.
Too hard.
Okay. All right. So that's that. So this is how it works. Look.
Okay.
All right. And you can do it by yourself too. Right now she's doing her gluteus minimus. Or is it a maximus? I'm not sure. How's it feel? Good? She likes it. And it works on all different body parts, apparently. This is how you do your foot. How's it feel?
Don't get anything here.
How does it feel?
Good.
How's it feel? Good?
Good.
Wow, look at that thing. Many applications for this bad boy. Woo! We're gonna do the whole body. When you want to get this thing off, it's not like a drill where you loosen the head or you push it out. Or anything. You got to grab it and pull it. Otherwise, it's like that's how it comes off. Got to use strength. Where's the round ball? Oh, here's the ball. So the ball, same thing. It just goes in like that. All right. Turn her on. All right. Then turn her off. Turns out that way. And that's how you get them out. That's their design. I mean, they're just basically plastic. That's it. These things are all plastic. So, but you know what? I think it's awesome. I give it 5 stars. I highly recommend the compression massage gun, or whatever they call it.